Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Me, the Master Guitar here. Today, I just picked up Persona 5 for the PlayStation 4. On my left hand side, you can see that I have Persona 5 already for the PlayStation 3. And I uploaded the unboxing video of this on May 18th of 2017. The year that this game came out. Yeah, Persona 5. Yeah, and you can see the price is $18.99. Here it is, Persona 5 for the PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 3. See the disc. And there's a warranty on it. It expires in 2020. Oh boy, this bug is... Here's the disc. There. Get it. Alright. And that concludes it with this pickup for Deer. For this pickup for Persona 5 for the PlayStation 4. Already had it on PlayStation 3. Thank you guys for watching.